Microsoft Windows Millennium Edition is designed to improve the home PC experience. And an important part of improving the user experience includes making it easier for users to set up a new computer. Through partnership with PC manufacturers, Windows Me guides the new PC purchasers through a simplified setup process called Windows Welcome the first time they start up their new computer. Let's see how easy it is to get up and running on a new Windows Me PC. The Windows Welcome helps customers with key tasks more easily than ever before, ensuring hardware is configured correctly, meeting legal requirements for Windows, registering with Microsoft and the PC manufacturer, and connecting to the Internet. At the bottom of the screen, you'll notice a small Microsoft agent character named Merlin.
Welcome to Microsoft
Merlin has
Windows.
speech and text capabilities and can assist users when they get
I'm
stuck.
Merlin.
He is always available in the
available
lower
to
left
assist
corner
you through
in
this
case the
one-time
user needs to
process.
call on him for assistance.
If at any time you need my help, just click the picture of me here or press the F1 key on your keyboard. I'll be right here if you need me.
New users will appreciate the optional mouse tutorial that steps the user through common Windows tasks. In this tutorial, users can practice moving the pointer, learning to click, selecting different options or items from various lists, and more. For example, here the user can practice choosing items from a list and seeing the results. You'll notice that the user interface has been improved with simplified screen text and larger font size. The user interface was designed to scale well at all resolutions. System settings, like we're seeing here, can be completely pre-configured for a customer by the PC manufacturer. So in many cases, users who experience Windows Millennium Edition via a new PC will only have to see a portion of these screens. The unified registration experience in Windows Me lets users simultaneously register with Microsoft and the PC manufacturer. Registration services are offered in over 40 countries, compared to the 7 countries that were offered in Windows 98 Second Edition. Windows Me remembers the user information being entered, so the need for users to re-enter their personal information from step to step is minimized. Getting connected to the Internet is easier than ever. Windows Me offers 3 options for connecting to an Internet service provider. You can create a new broadband or dial-up account, re-establish an existing account, or use a shared Internet connection on a home network. As with other system settings, a PC manufacturer can pre-configure the Internet service provider account information so customers can quickly access the Internet. In fact, if a PC manufacturer pre-configures all the system settings, it's possible for a customer to access the desktop even faster by going through just a couple of screens. Windows Me reflects Microsoft's commitment to improving the overall user experience with the PC. The Windows Welcome process allows customers to get up and running quickly and easily and start having fun and being productive with their new computer.